Okay, so what we did, we clicked on sign up link and just I mean switch to that sign up page basically. So let me do again. Okay, so after clicking on sign up, right, after clicking on sign up, first we have to select the title, and if you see this select the title is a drop down. Drop down, inspect. So this is my select class. Okay, so see how to select some options from from drop down list. Let's see. देखो, first we have to find out the select driver dot find element by dot xpath. XPath क्या है? So this is my title. uh, where is that? Label. देखो, see, we have a label title because in the select we do not have anything common. Okay, anything, we do not have anything unique, right? Anything unique. So we have to find out this title first, and then using this label we will navigate to this select option. Okay, so first is no, no, no. You can select, we have to select something from there. Okay, say label text equal to title, right? This one. Now see, this label and this selects are what? Same level. What are these two brothers? Rupali, clear for you? These two are brothers. So we have to go to this select. So following sibling double colon select. Correct? Till now it's okay. Till select we have to select. Okay. Now, so driver dot find element we are putting here. Okay. Next what? Next we have to there is a class in Selenium. There is a class called select. Okay, select SEL equal to new select. Now you have to pass this web element. Okay, web element title drop down equal to this, and title drop down we will put here. Fine. Now what? Now we have to using cell dot select. Select by index, select by value, select by visible text. Okay, in option if you see, these are all select by visible text, this black color. Okay, this value, if you see this value true, value Mr., Mrs., MS, Miss. So these are all value. Select by value we have to use this. Select by visible text we have to select this one, these things. Got it? So select by visible text, let's say. Index means just 0, 1, 2, like that. Okay, like here it is 0, is 1, 2, 3, whatever you want to select, you have to select from here. So select by visible text, let's say मिस्टर, राइट, क्या है उसमें मिस्टर है ना, एमर, सो वी हैव टू पुट हियर एमर, करेक्ट. Okay, before that let's use what we'll use, let's use one fluent wait here, right? So wait dot expected conditions, sorry, wait dot until expected conditions dot element to be clickable, let's check that clickability, and then this element. And this element, right, this element. Now this is, as this is web element, so it will be fine if it is, if we are taking it in a web element, right? In a web element we are taking this this XPath of select, and we are also waiting for the element to be popped up, or element to be clickable or visible. Okay, now then we are selecting this MR. Let's see if it is working. Now it will click on sign up, then it should select. Is that selected or not selected? It should select, right? Let me use some thread.flip, thread, thread dot flip. Let's say 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Let me run again. See, Mr. is selected, right? So this is how we select something from drop down. Okay, we select something from drop down. So what we will do, we will create this as a common method. Okay, because we will have similar kind of drop downs, right? We will simply use this, because this is my Control C, right? Okay, so we will create a drop down, I mean a common method. How to create a common method? See, simply public void select from drop down. Here we'll take web element, that select element, right, and the text, visible text. Okay, and string visible text. Okay, now we'll simply paste it. Okay, and here we will pass this element, and here we will pass this visible text. Right, now select from drop down. We will no more will not use these lines of code again. We'll simply use let me make it static, so that without having any object, we can access it, right? So select text from drop down. Okay, now this is title drop down, and here we have to pass AMR, correct? Just one liner code, right? What we did, अच्छा, जो कोड हम लोगों ने लिखे थे जो सिलेक्ट, हाँ, उसको एक अलग से कॉमन मेथड में लिख लिए हम लोग, so that I can use the same method for different select, I mean different drop downs. हाँ, करेक्ट, सिलेक्ट का मेस्ट, राइट, विजिबल टेक्स्ट, करेक्ट, ठीक है. नाउ इफ वी रन इट, see, now it is working fine. Next thing, we have to write down, I mean we have to fill up this first name, last name, country again a drop down. Okay, first name and last name. Let's find first name and last name. Okay, तो क्या है, फर्स्ट नेम, ID फर्स्ट नेम. Okay, so here we'll directly pass driver dot find element by dot ID dot send keys. I am putting my name. Easy. Next, same for last name, right? What is in this last name? We'll copy it here and paste it, and here in the text we will pass Banerjee, my surname. Okay, fine. Then again, what is next? Again, next is country drop down, right? So if you see, it should be a select. Yes, select, correct. So similar way we will do this, correct. So what we'll do, we'll simply keep in a variable element country equal to driver dot, who said new? Okay, anyway, country driver, oh sorry, by dot xpath. Okay. And then using the same method, select from drop down, this is country, and here we'll put क्या है, India. ये कुछ और okay, okay, India ही देते हैं फिर. Okay, let's see if it is working till now. Different web element and different names. So first it will select India, correct? Done. Correct. Method overloading. We are using these methods, we are not declaring methods. Method overloading will happen only, we'll declare the method, we'll write the method, not the calling method. One method can be called any times, right? I mean, n number of times you can call one method. We are calling this method. Okay, now what? Now is famous date of birth selection, right? Okay, let's see what. ओके यहाँ पे क्लिक करने पे वो कैलेंडर नहीं आ रहा है, राइट? यू आर नॉट गेटिंग दिस कैलेंडर. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्लिक करने पे आ रहा है, आ रहा है, हाँ तो रहा है मे बी. लेट्स सी. फाइन, लेट्स सी. यहाँ पे एक इमेज है एंड बिफोर दैट वी हैव अ ए, करेक्ट, ए. ओके, so let's take this id and div इनपुट है कि div है, क्या है वो? अच्छा, इनपुट है, ठीक है. इनपुट div @id equal to, okay, it's 1 of 1. I want to click on this a. I want to click on this a. So how it is related? These inputs ancestors and this a are brothers, correct? Ancestor div, there are many divs, okay, but we have to find out the following sibling :a is 1 of 1, correct? And inside that we have an image. Let's try to get that image. Fine. So driver dot find element by dot xpath, this image में what we have to do? Click, correct? Now next, after clicking here, what we have to find out? p wait. So React data picker month container. Mm, okay, React data picker month container, right? So let's see if this particular div has something. एक क्लास देखते हैं अगर if it is kind of unique, then we can use it. Div at the rate class equal to, yeah, 1 of 1. So this class is unique. Now inside it we have to select this div. Okay, this is area label. नहीं, डायरेक्टली हम लोग रैंडम विल क्रिएट दैट रैंडम टेक्स्ट, राइट? So we'll not go for this, maybe 3 or 4 this month container. Then simply descendant, and then it is a div text three, correct? Div text 3. Directly we have written the main thing, okay, the whole parent, okay, grandparent से हम लोग ये डायरेक्टली 3 में आ रहा है यूजिंग डिसेंडेंट, ठीक है? तो लेट मी टेक दिस एंड driver dot find element, इसको एक वेट स्टेटमेंट लगाना पड़ेगा. वी हैव टू वेट फॉर समथिंग. सो वेट डॉट until. You wait, why wait statement? Because see यहाँ पे when we are clicking here ना, immediately it may not come, okay? See, it is taking 1 second to come up. So we will put like expected conditions dot visibility of element located by dot xpath, and xpath में will put this, and then what, dot click, right? Let's see if it is working. नहीं, क्लोज कहाँ पे है? ये एग्जीक्यूट हो भी गया है क्या? मैं जस्ट मोबाइल में, ओके ओके. है ना। आया समझ में? Okay. Now password and confirm password we have to select. It's input ID. अच्छा अच्छा ओके, अच्छा मोबाइल नंबर ना, ओके मोबाइल नंबर, मोबाइल ज़रूरत नहीं है ना, क्योंकि यू हैव ऑलरेडी सिलेक्टेड द कंट्री। अलग कैसे, ये ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ये 9 1 को हटा सकते हो, नथिंग एल्स। कर सकते हो, कर सकते हो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, कर सकते हो। ये देखो, ये एक लिस्ट है, लिस्ट, दिस इज़ नॉट सॉर्ट ऑफ यू नो, इट इज़ नॉट अ ड्रॉप डाउन, बट ये भी एक ड्रॉप डाउन ही है, बट it is a special kind of drop down, not the select kind drop down. Okay, it will have this ul and li. Ul means this whole section, okay, unordered list, and this is the list elements. Okay, these are the list elements, li, Afghanistan 933, these things. Okay, you can select anything, you can select India from here also. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so कैसे करेंगे हम लोग, कंट्री लिस्ट, लेट्स से ड्राइवर and this is ul. ul means unordered list. Okay, ul क्या है, कंट्री लिस्ट, राइट। हाँ, एक स्पेस का प्रॉब्लम है। हाँ, this is a space. Okay, so there are many li's. Okay, if you put li here, there are 221 countries, correct? There are 221 countries. So li that contains India, or descendant of li contains India, correct? See, इंडेक्स दे सकते हो, बट इंडेक्स इज नॉट अ गुड। ओके ओके, सो एल आई के अंदर एक स्पैन है, स्पैन कॉन्टेन्स दैट कंट्री। ओके, सो दिस इज टेक्स्ट इंडिया, राइट, एंड हेयर यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट इट। सो first क्या, first you have to click on it. Okay, first you have to click on it, then you have to select. So first we have to select or find out the XPath of this div. Okay, क्या है XPath, फ्लैग ड्रॉप डाउन ओपन, ठीक है। तो फर्स्ट इसको रखते हैं यहाँ पे, एक सेकेंड, हाँ एक सेकेंड। ओके, इसका क्या है, फ्लैग ड्रॉप डाउन, or directly we can use the class name. Let me check if it is uniquely identified or not. हाँ, it is uniquely identified, ठीक है। तो हम लोग डायरेक्टली क्लास नेम से ही ये करेंगे ना। सो driver dot find element by dot class name, and first dot click. Okay, ये क्लास नेम है ना, क्लास नेम से डायरेक्टली हम लोग फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं वाई टू यूज. हाँ हाँ हाँ. ड्राइवर डॉट फाइंड एलिमेंट बाय डॉट एक्स पाथ. अभी एक्स पाथ यूज़ करेंगे हम लोग, वो यू एल वाला, करेक्ट. कंट्रोल एक्स. हाँ, जैसे आईडी, क्लास नेम, नेम, क्लिक. ओके, ये इंडिया, यू आर सिलेक्टिंग इंडिया. नाउ व्हाट, नाउ सपोज इंडिया सिलेक्टेड. नाउ यहाँ पे 91 है, +91. ठीक है, इसके बाद आपको यू हैव टू पुट द नंबर्स, राइट. सो हियर क्या है, वैल्यू नो वैल्यू, प्लेस होल्डर देर इज नथिंग. ओके, फ़ोन. तो ये हमें क्लिक लेना पड़ेगा, राइट. div text phone and then the following sibling, divs following sibling, छोटा भाई इनपुट है. ओके, following sibling input. हो गया. हाँ, राइट. Right. So here driver dot find element by dot xpath. यहाँ पे we have to put send keys, right. send keys क्या, my number, my phone number. Okay, and then what password and confirm password. Always string, send keys always string. Okay, now ये पासवर्ड, confirm पासवर्ड, सिंपल. क्या है ये, न्यू पासवर्ड एंड व्हाट एल्स, आईडी इज न्यू. ईमेल आईडी भी है क्या. ओके, ईमेल आईडी भी है, ले लेता हूँ ईमेल आईडी. ओके, आईडी ड्राइवर डॉट फाइंड एलिमेंट बाय डॉट आईडी, email id dot click. Okay, and again driver dot. Okay, this is for password, this is for new password, I mean confirm password, right. This is new password. Oh, why I am doing click, send keys. Here also it is send keys. Dummy pass, and here it is C pass. And what I do is I am purposely putting different password here, otherwise account will get created, right? So a different password, let's say dummy, only dummy. Okay, now what, now we have to select this agree button, right? Yeah, agree button. Yeah, default click one id driver dot find element by dot id dot click. Okay, now driver dot find element, क्या करना है, सबमिट बटन पे क्लिक करना है, राइट? सबमिट बटन पे क्लिक करो. This is your submit. Okay, by dot xpath dot click, right? तो हो गया, nothing else is pending, just format document is pending. फॉर्मेट डॉक्यूमेंट इज पेंडिंग, वो भी हो गया. लेट्स सी, लेट्स रन इट एंड सी इफ इट इज. हो गया, बाकी कुछ भी वो स्क्रॉल नहीं कर रहा है. देखो यहाँ पे स्क्रॉल हमें सीखना पड़ेगा, कैसे स्क्रॉल करते हैं. एक सेकेंड, कुछ तो हुआ है, एक देखता हूँ क्या प्रॉब्लम है. ड्राइवर इन्फो, ड्राइवर वर्जन अननोन है. कुछ भी. अच्छा, जावा 98. ओके, लाइन नंबर 98. व्हाट इज रिटन लाइन नंबर 98? ओके, फ्लैग ड्रॉप डाउन के लिए कुछ तो बहुत बताया है. ओके, सी देखते हैं. फर्स्ट नेम लास्ट नेम सब हो गया, राइट? क्या है ये, नहीं हुआ क्या? नहीं हो गया ना. सी फर्स्ट नेम लास्ट नेम ये भी हो गया. यहाँ पे आके रुक गया था, यहाँ पे. अच्छा, तो क्या किया जाए, इसको एक वेट लगाना पड़ेगा. लेट्स सी. वेट dot until expected conditions dot visibility of element located, ये पूरा will copy. अच्छा, visibility of comment located मतलब we have to use the by class. Okay, we have to use the by class. and this is my click, right. Let's see. If it is happening, then it's fine. Otherwise, we will see how to scroll a page. Hmm? It's not happening, right? Hmm. Okay, let's see. Next thing is how to scroll a page. Okay, we will use one API here which is called JavaScript Executor. Okay, it will be called JavaScript Executor. Let's create a method. Hmm. Let's create a method. Common method. So public static void scroll to element. Okay, scroll to element. Now what we have to pass here? We have to pass which instance we want. Here we want a driver instance obviously, and the element we have to, we will pass the element also. Okay, so driver web driver driver instance we have to pass, and then what, web element we have to pass, right? See, JavaScript executor is a separate API. Okay, but it is under the library or common library in Selenium. We don't have to import any other library, by the way. Okay, so here is the code. Okay, JavaScript executor, open QS Selenium JavaScript executor. Let's say JS equal to JavaScript executor. इसका एक टाइप कास्टिंग, वी हैव टू डू अ टाइप कास्टिंग ऑफ ड्राइवर. ओके, वी हैव टू डू अ टाइप कास्टिंग ऑफ ड्राइवर. Okay, now then js dot execute script. Here argument is very important. Argument, okay, arguments 0 dot, what is the method? It's scroll to view, right? Scroll to view. scroll to view है कि scroll into view है? ओके, फर्स्ट देखते हैं, scroll into view देखते हैं. ओके, scroll into view, दिस इज अ मेथड. scroll into view को ट्रू करना पड़ेगा. आर्ग्यूमेंट्स डॉट स्क्रोल इनटू व्यू ट्रू. ये आर्ग्यूमेंट्स में क्या देना है हमें? आर्ग्यूमेंट में देना है हमें वेब एलिमेंट. मतलब it will scroll till this particular element is visible. Okay, it will scroll till this particular element is visible. Okay, let me use the same thing here. Line number 98 से पहले so scroll to element driver, and the web element is this one, right? This web element is this one. एक second. Sorry. Control X. This is the web element जहाँ पे we are clicking on it, right? एक सेकेंड क्या कर क्या रहा हूँ मैं? Where is it actually failing? So Java 98 means this. Flag drop down, this one, right? This one, it's not scrolling, so we have to use this. We have to use, okay, here it is wait. Scroll to element driver, and this is my object driver dot find element this is the element, and let's see if क्या हो गया है? What is this doing? No, it could happen. It can happen due to some. Okay, so it is not a scrolling problem basically. It is image. We have identified what we have clicked on something, right? We have clicked. The element is basically Java 99. Okay, so what is the what is it, 99, right? The scroll into view, this web element is problematic. Flag drop down, this open, whatever. So let me find it again. Hmm. This is somehow it's not clickable. Clickable. It's clickable, right? Selected flag open. Selected flag close. Uh, Correct. See what I did is here. If you see, I use this flag drop down open, so it's not open, right? It's not till here. It is not open. So I have to uh, flag drop down. Use only flag drop down. Okay, flag drop down. Okay, the thing, right? Whatever that first name, last name, it's not getting populated. It will populate. See what is happening. The page is getting refreshed internally. Okay, that is why it's just jumping to. It's putting. Okay, it's putting the data, but it's jumping to another thing. ओके सो इसको बोलते हैं एजक्स कॉल ओके टू गेट द बैक एंड डेटा टू फ्रंट एंड we need this kind of ajax call, asynchronous javascript call. Okay, so this is the medicine for this is, or remedy for this is, to use fluentweight, as simple as that. So we'll observe in which element it is happening most, mainly this first name and last name. Then we can use the some wait statement. Okay, wait until expected condition, clickable, those things. So let me run again. Okay, now what is happening now? It's not scrolling. Non class name क्या है? Okay, because there is a problem with this element. Particular element has a problem. Let me find it out in other way, right? तो ये फ़ोन से देखते हैं. First will, okay, debugging debugging is not needed here. Let me loop. Where did I use loop? Hmm. Okay. It's div text phone. Right now, div text phone, we have to come to this flag drop down. So how to do that? It's following sibling div, following sibling div, this one, correct? Now inside div there is another div. This should work, I think. Let's see. Okay, where is that? Huh. By it should be the x path. X path, and the x path expression would be here. Okay, and the next line also would be x path, and the expression would be b. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स सी. वह स्क्रॉल. लेट्स सी. स्क्रॉल तो हो गया है, बट यहाँ पे कुछ पुट नहीं किया. देखते हैं. लेट्स सी. आई मीन इट्स अगेन. आई प्रोग्राम इज नॉट. हाँ, करता हूँ एक्सप्लेन. स्क्रॉल तो हुआ, लेकिन इट्स नॉट पुटिंग द फोन नंबर हियर. ये भी सही है. और कंट्री, so suppose Honduras. Okay, Honduras. Select, scroll to element is done, and then we have to where are we selecting it? Honduras में क्लिक किया, राइट. यहाँ पे विजिबिलिटी ऑफ एलिमेंट लोकेटेड. जस्ट अ मिनट. स्क्रॉल टू व्यू. हाँ, स्क्रॉल समझाता हूँ. हाँ, एक सेकेंड ही. एंड देन UL, then LI, this click Honduras. Fine. It's happening due to this okay, pop-up हैंडलिंग सब हैंडल नहीं कर सकते. We'll see how to handle pop-up, but let's not do it here. Okay, हैंडल करना ही पड़ेगा. Let's see what is happening. Okay, it is still executing somehow. That means they have created the operation. uh, New instance. What is the issue? Unhandled prompt behavior. Yes, unhandled prompt behavior. Okay, fine. Matlab means that pop-up. Okay, now let's see how to handle this kind of pop-ups. Let me check what is the type of this pop-up, and we'll handle. Okay, so here, start over, sign up. पॉपअप आ क्यों नहीं रहा है? ओके, वहाँ पे देखते हैं. Inspect. This is not a browser pop-up basically. Notification pop-up. It is a notification pop-up. It is not browser window, it's notification pop-up. So we have to handle it. We can directly allow it or discard it. Let me check. I mean, what is the type of this? Yes, we have. We can do. See, these kind of notifications can be handled using, suppose we are using what, Chrome driver, right? There is a class called Chrome options. Okay, Chrome options options equal to new Chrome options. Okay, and using options we can add these disable dot Chrome options dot add arguments. Okay, here we can put, there are some there are some keys for the Chrome. There are also key for Firefox. Okay, so these are all keys. Okay, it's just double dash disable, disable notification, notifications. Okay, and these options should be passed here in the new Chrome driver. Right. So it can be anything. I mean, suppose this is my add arguments. Here we can also pass to create a incognito mode. Okay, like this, options dot add arguments. Sorry, options dot add arguments, inside that incognito. Okay, incognito, something like that. I don't remember properly, but we can do this. So let's see if this works. इनकॉग्निटो मोड, सी इनकॉग्निटो मोड में ये हुआ है, ओपन हुआ है, राइट. नोटिफिकेशन तो नहीं आ रहा है, बट देर आर समथिंग. हाँ, करेक्ट, करेक्ट. आई मीन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज नॉट वर्किंग समहाउ. ये क्लिक, no, mobile number can be entered, but this is not working. Flag selection, flag selection is not working. Then why this mobile number will not work? Mobile number should work, right? Let's wait for some time. Okay, now in which line you are getting? It's 103. 103 means this, right? And obviously this driver dot find element, phone, following sibling, and kya problem kya hai? What is the problem here? Unhandled prompt behavior. No, why? It's unhandled, network connection enabled, false. No, right, it is the problem. Where is the problem? Session ID is this. New instant, delegating constructor access impl. Large block true. It is saying an unhandled prompt behavior. Dismiss and notify. But we do not have anything, right? Dismiss and notify. Where is that dismiss and notify? We are not getting any kind of unhandled pop-up here, at least. just check if it is working with only phone number. Mm-hmm. Okay, so this is my phone number and this line to this line. Hmm? Okay, scroll to hmm, email ID and password. I think, or the scroll, it's not scrolling, that is why it's not working. Let me check. Quit. Quit. So we have to keep that scroll into view. Hmm. No, no, not extra. Scroll into driver, and this is my web element. You will get this kind of applications where scrollings and all not I mean, just a minute. No, no, that is not problem right now. The problem is with this send keys thing, right? 06 unhandled prompt behavior. Unhandled prompt behavior. Okay, if it is unhandled prompt behavior, then okay, scroll into view JavaScript executor. Is this code fine? I think I did a mistake. No, it's not working here only. Let's scroll to view. It's not working somehow. Okay, okay, okay. Hmm. 106, 106, 106. Driver dot find element. Scroll to view, right? Driver dot find element. Import, and here in the scroll to view it is argument 0. Scroll into view. Naki scroll to view. That is scroll into view. True. Execute script. js dot execute script. js dot execute script. Argument 0 and scroll into view. True. That is fine. Second, let's see. Oh, we'll get this kind of issues. Just see how we can you know mitigate those things. Then what? Okay, now mobile number is entered. What about email ID? Mobile number is added but did not scroll. It did not scroll. That's the problem. It did not scroll. आई थिंक ये स्क्रॉल में ही कुछ प्रॉब्लम मैंने किया. एक सेकेंड में चेक करता हूँ एक बार. हाउ टू स्क्रॉल टू एन एलिमेंट इन Selenium using JavaScript Executor. Scroll into view. True, right? ID of element. Scroll into view के बाद एक wait statement दिया है इन लोगों ने, but that will not use anyway. Okay, scroll into view line number 106. Scroll into view and then we are putting this number. Email ID is not getting printed, right? So wait dot until expected conditions dot element, sorry, visibility of element or element to be clickable x meant to be clickable and then send keys. Let's see. Not putting here the email ID field in the my first Selenium code 1110 1110 no no no, this is not the correct error basically. So what is the unhandled prompt behavior, dismiss and notify? Again we are getting this kind of okay. No, not that, not that is after putting they can check. Okay, let's see using move to element. Move to element means suppose this is your cursor, you are hovering, going and hovering, okay, going and hovering on some element or going and clicking explicitly on some element. Okay, so let me do it. So how to do that? See, we have to use another class called action class. Okay, action class, actions. So actions, this one, or OpenQA Selenium interactions, actions AC equal to new actions and WebDriver. Now suppose I want to go to this particular element phone number, and then we will enter this number, right? So the syntax is AC dot move to element, okay, move to element, then this element, then this particular element, no, source and destination, that is drag and drop. Let me check. Dot move to element, okay, then click, okay, click dot perform. Okay, we will first click on it and then we will put the required send keys. We can also do like this using first click and then send keys, that will also work, and then perform. So eventually we can close this particular line, and let me check. Ah, see, password and confirm password, it entered, right? It entered password and confirm password, but email ID, I think we have to first click here and then write the email ID. That is fine. I mean, that is wait statement will solve that uh, problem. That is not concerning for me. For email field, we can use this actions. Where is that? So here, click on new password. Okay. So where is that? Email field, right? Email field. So here, what we can do is, instead of wait, instead of wait, we can use AC dot move to element, then move to which element? This email ID. This email ID, and then we will simply type this. First click this, click it, and dot click dot or dot send keys, and then dot perform. Okay, dot perform. Right? Yes, performing the action. Performing the action. Correct. The first, no, perform is for action class only. Actions class. The actions, if we are performing actions using actions class, then only this perform will work. Normal text box, but it needs some first clicking and then typing. Okay, first clicking and then typing. Normal send keys is not working there. Normal send keys is not working there. ईमेल आईडी फील्ड में क्या हुआ फिर? ये कॉन्फर्म पासवर्ड कॉन्फर्म पासवर्ड हो गया. वाई दिस ईमेल आईडी इज नॉट वर्किंग? No, just a minute. It's okay. I mean, just a minute. Just 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. Default check one element dot click. What is that? Okay. This one is not working, right? This one is not working. So what we can do, email ID simply driver dot find element dot click. Just 10 minutes. Then again driver dot find element by dot id send keys. So this is my id. there is some problem. Maybe I'm missing something. We'll check. Okay, we'll check. Email ID is not putting here. Could be. There are many methods we can use. Okay, you are if you are too exhausted, then maybe. ठीक है. Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, go ahead, please. The code is very big basically.